Good morning. We're reporting live from the Keystone State. Welcome back to the Ice Coast for another episode. Today we're headed towards Blue Knob All Seasons Resort, located in Claysburg, Pennsylvania. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're headed towards Pennsylvania's highest skiable mountain. It actually falls 10 feet short of Blue Mountain for the highest vertical in Pennsylvania. We're looking at 1,072 feet of vertical today. Pretty impressive there. So this is known as one of the more difficult mountains in the region to ski. I haven't been here since I was a little kid, when I was with the Cub Scouts. So I'm interested to get out here. I got a few requests to head up to Blue Knob and check it out. So hope y'all enjoy the footage. 34 total trails there at the resort. About 13 are open. Looking forward to getting out there today, shredding some turns, and let's get ripping. Welcome to Blue Knob, folks, the ungroomed capital of Pennsylvania. Make sure to bring your tuned skis, which I didn't. Untuned skis are not friendly at this resort. Well, we're all wrapped up here at Blue Knob here in Claysburg, Pennsylvania. What a day it was out there. Super windy. I would say gusts estimated up to like 60 miles an hour up here. So it was pretty interesting experience. I call this the ungroomed capital of Pennsylvania. Very difficult to ski. I do not suggest this to any beginner. And they rely on like basically natural terrain out here. So this is like the Mad River Glen of Pennsylvania. And it showed, you know, I definitely struggled. My skis are untuned. I've been driving around everywhere, so I haven't had a chance to drop them at the tuning shop, but maybe I'll do that on the way home. I'm gonna give it a shred score of a 3.4. It has some of the steepest trails on the East Coast, but the fact that it's just ungroomed, it's chunky, it's icy, it's sticky. I recommend coming here, like I said, if you want a true challenge here on the East Coast. This blows Seven Springs out of the water. It blows some of those other places out of the water in terms of difficulty. There's no doubt there. Not sure where my next mountain will be. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Looking forward to getting out there, and I'll see y'all next time.